Hi guys, welcome in another rant and short stories from the Face Cradle. And how many hours of massage a week you working? Do you have a magic number? That's what we're gonna rant about. Hi guys, welcome in another episode of our rants and stories. Krzys here.
And Sinead.
And in this episode, we're going to talk about how many hours you working as a massage therapist a week, how many hours you should work, or what's the magic numbers. So Sinead, how many clients do you see a week? What's your number?
What's my number? Well, I think I'm in a really good position when it comes to massage. That it is my second job. So I have my main job for my majority of my income. So massage is more about feeding my habit, really, because I just want to learn more. So I earn money from massage mainly. Well, it does pay for the nice things as well, but also helps me to train
nice
more.
Things?
Nice things.
Shoes, you mean?
Yeah, shoes. Okay, I'm not going to be a
shoes addict here.
I do love my shoes. It's money well spent, I do believe. But anyway, so my magic number is more about not burning out. So it's more about not doing too many rather than having enough to make a living or, to go by. Because I enjoy it. I really, really enjoy massage, and I would do it every evening after work. But then I need to have my own life as well, and I have a family and 2 boys that, well, sometimes I think they want to see me, sometimes maybe not, but family time is really important as well. So my number is about 5 or 6 a week, I would say, but sometimes a week, yeah.
Okay.
But
yeah.
Sometimes that's more, sometimes less, but yeah, I'm more relaxed about, whether I get those numbers or not. But I mean, for you, I imagine it's got to be a bit higher because it's being your main income.
Yeah.
What's your magic number?
And
I was going to say also, is it different because you were mobile and now you're in a clinic? So has your number changed?
Yeah. So definitely. The more clients, the more money you have, the more you can spend.
More shoes.
Obviously, however, exactly as Sinead said, it's all about not to overwork yourself. Like when I started up, I was booking 8 clients or more in a clinic. The most client I did, I think in one day, it was 9 clients.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a busy day.
Was that mobile?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. It was
That's
a long
crazy.
day. That was a busy day, and there was a bit craziness. But
Yeah.
I said never ever again. So like my magic number daily, I would say is 6.
Yeah.
6 is top. 7 with push. I wouldn't do more than 8 anymore. So that's my daily number, especially for the mobile, because then I'm leaving enough time to travel, to get somewhere.
Yeah.
And I think is just perfect enough, because
Yeah.
it just makes a really long day.
Yeah, because you don't want to be running in the door and running back out again as soon as the massage is finished, do you?
Yeah, because
It's not
I need
good.
to get somewhere, because
Yeah.
usually the travel is around half an hour
Yeah.
to get to the other clients, and that's leave me a time to do my preparation and case the notes and everything. So
Yeah. I was going to say, I made that similar sort of mistake. I booked 4 on one evening.
yeah.
So I did my office job, and then I had my first client about 3, I think. So then I had 2 clients straight after each other, then a 15-minute break and another client, and then a 15-minute break while I went to a mobile client. And oh my God, I got home that night and I couldn't even sleep. I was so tired, but I just couldn't switch off. It was horrible.
Yeah.
So yeah, it is. I think you're right. There's a magic number for the day as well.
It's definitely like in a clinic here now. I know I can do 8 or 9.
Yeah.
But it's the same one after another, where you don't leave much time. So it's really rushed and really busy.
And also, do you find if you've got them one after the other, that you start thinking, Was it you that said you had this pathology problem, or was that the client before? Do you know what I mean? They kind of like merge a little bit if you have them too close together, I found.
Yeah.
So you might be talking to someone that's had, I don't know, say you've got a runner and they've got some issue, and then 2 clients later you've got another runner with a similar issue but a different pathology, and it kind of, you need a bit of time in between, well, I find anyway, to make notes and make sure you've got the right thing.
Yeah, so it's really important to exactly leave yourself enough time to change, do the couch, change the couch, make notes, have a drink, have a wee, have a whatever, have some bite, have a stretch, and have this calm down preparation before client come, so your attention is fully to him.
Yes.
So fully to him, so you focus on the client, focus on what's going on. Don't, through the session, not think about, this, that, another client, have I planned it, have I this, or have I rebooked it, things like that.
Yeah.
So it's really important to have this, good 15 minutes to just prepare yourself, calm down, relax, so you don't rush with the things,
Yeah.
And you will see things will happen and you will rush because you overbooked and stuff. But, I think it's really good in the beginning. So you start planning this straight away. When you're studying, when you, get this ahead of this, when you qualified, you already have some barriers and a plan ahead in you.
Yeah, definitely. So what is your magic number, would you say? And is it different being mobile to being in the clinic?
Yes, it's definitely different. Like for, I will need to use my math skills now, which I don't have.
Well, I was just thinking the distance you travel.
So this is
quite a lot of fuel,
I would say as for the mobile, I would say 23 a week.
A week, yeah.
23 clients a week from a mobile, that's my magic number.
Yeah.
I know I can do more, but I wouldn't. So, this gives you around 5-6 clients a day.
Yeah.
Sometimes is as well, you have a client, like you're treating family, so you have four clients.
Yeah.
So you don't have to travel. So that's for, let's say, 3 clients in the same home. So it's 3 people in the same house. You don't have to travel. It's hour. So I would just leave 5 minutes just for the change and the break and a drink and just carry on.
Yeah.
But working in a clinic, then my magic number will be higher. So I would say about 30 or 35.
Yeah, I suppose it's easier to do that as well.
If they're not late.
But then if they're late, they're cutting into their own time.
Oh yeah, so, of course. But it's always threw you off.
Yeah. So what do you do if you don't get to your magic number? Have you got a backup or? So,
there is always good to have an aim for every week, how many clients you want to see and want to see. Like for now, especially with my new clinic, which I started here, my goal is I need to have 10 clients in a month.
Yeah.
Minimum. Because that's the rent I need to pay.
Yeah.
And the bills and everything included. I need to have 10 clients. The rest is the bonus.
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is the 3rd month in here, and every month I just starting up, and every month I had about 30 clients.
That's brilliant.
A month.
Yeah.
So, I would like to get this to, have a weekly.
Yeah.
But, at the beginning is great. So not only I have already paid off my, main worries, so my rent, my bills and everything else, I have still some money to invest in marketing and so on and so on. So if, every week I do sit down every month I kind of sit down at the end, see how many clients I have, how many numbers and how many week, and I'm planning what I can do to make this better, and so on. And then I see from the money what I have left. I even invest in Facebook advertisement or other marketing skills thing, something which gets me, get more clients.
Yeah. No, I think that's brilliant. And I think it is about, that's your magic number. So if you haven't got clients for that time, you spend that time doing something to get the clients. If you know what I mean. So you're still working those hours, as it were.
Oh,
just
yes,
in a
yeah,
different
yeah.
capacity. It's not income, but it's
Yeah.
generating it.
Yeah, it's just, you know, and everyone have their own magic number.
Yes.
It's about exactly you have a 6 a week.
Yeah.
And that's perfect. That's what you need.
Yes. Yeah.
That's what you need. You know, some people exactly have like you have another job, and that's just a kind of side hobby which they possibly want later on become a full-time. But for now, that's a number great, you know, and slowly you can build up, you know the bigger numbers.
Yeah.
Obviously later on, if you have a set up business, so the numbers count more and better, because not only is your sole income, not only you have the bills to pay and other things, you need to find your number, what's good for you, for your clinic, for your income.
Yeah.
That brings you not only enough money to pay all of this, but actually have a nice, good living.
Yes. Don't live to work to live. Is that the way round? I'm too relaxed at the minute to think straight.
So yeah, guys, let us know in the comments what's your number. How many hours you work in a clinic? How many hours you could work in a clinic? What's your is it enough? Is it too much? Or, what's your experience? Have you overworked yourself, to book too many clients? Tell us in the comments your experience from that.
Yeah. How did you find your balance, and what number did you come up with?
And as always, like the video and share it. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Click the bell.
And click the bell so you can have a notification of the new videos upcoming. Guys, have an amazing day and week, and I'm gonna see you at the next video.
Yeah.
Bye bye.